Welcome this Sunday morning, O ye few, but faithful. The choir, I'm told, has elected a new director, Sister Mary Clarence, who will lead them in Hail Holy Queen.
Hail, Mother of Mercy and of Love, O Maria. Triumphantly hear us ring, sing with the sweet seraphim, living in the peace and the hill. Hail, Mother of Mercy and Love, O Maria, triumphantly